You have never tasted lentils and rice pilaf that is this amazing. Budget friendly, quick and easy, and made in 30 minutes. Plant-based cooking packed with protein and so flavorful. Lentils do not get better and tastier than this. So let's start with our recipe. Start by adding half a cup of whole brown lentils to a pot. Add in half a cup of green split peas to a pot as well. Give this a quick rinse for about a minute under hot water. Then add 1 teaspoon of rough salt and allow to boil until soft. Then strain and leave aside. In a separate pot, add 1 cup of rice washed. To this, add in 3 cups of water. To this, add 1 teaspoon of rough salt. Also add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 black cardamom pods, 2 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and give this a quick mix and allow to boil until no water remains in the pot. Because of the spices we added, the rice will change color. This becomes so fragrant, and as the water starts to dry out, keep stirring to avoid it from burning at the bottom. When there is still a little water left inside the pot, we are going to add in the boiled brown lentils and green split peas. The leftover water will be soaked in by these lentils, and it will slowly dry out. When ready to serve, garnish with some pomegranate seeds, some chopped parsley to give it some vibrant color, and you would have never tasted such a delicious lentil and rice pilaf ever. Enjoy making it. Don't forget to connect with me on my socials, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Happy cooking!